Guys, this is the simplicity living, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to harvest the black beans. I just want to make this video a week ago when my first season of black beans should be harvested. I was so busy to do that, so let's spot in which type of black beans that we should harvest today. So here in my garden is the tropical black beans. So as you can see that, right, the black bean is growing in a poles, okay, and all of this like dry already black beans. Let's just show you what type of black beans to harvest it. All right, so this one, the one here is already dry, which is turned into black color already, okay, black or brownish color. That one is already dry and brownish or black colors, and it can be harvested. This one here also, this type also can be harvested already. Some of the black bean falling down quite quick, but it's not really ready for harvested because it's not so dry yet. So we're gonna okay, here this one is about to dry. It is still turning dark already, but it's not dry yet. So let's go inside a little bit more. Okay, make sure that you don't touch these things because this will be the next seasons of the black beans. Okay, one type of black bean can grow into different seasons to harvest, mostly 2 to 3 times. So I wait for next black bean to be harvested. Alright, so let's go in. Not most of the black beans will be harvested at once, all at once, but we have to harvest it season by season. I see that very big. This one is a worm, that is very scary worm. I want to take it out first. Take a look at this. Look like a porcupine. Harvesting using the hands is better than using type of scissors or cutter. Guys, I've got one pair of the beans that looks awesome here. Has no bean pads at all, and it's fully ripened and very easy to pick up. That's it. So make sure you don't touch all these flowers here, the flower next to it, or these type of flowers will give you next bean season. Alright guys, so after 30 minutes, here is my results. Okay, so looks like I have a full hat of black beans already. Let's check out some of the black beans here to see the quality of it this season. I've been growing black beans for years already. Let's take a look inside of it. Alright, so here are black beans, guy. Look like these seasons we don't have so much high quality black beans because most of the seeds are very small. I mean smaller than the previous seasons. Okay, so as you can see now here, the black bean trees, they are very healthy black bean trees, grown up and greeny. The small garden is just for provide the black beans for family use. Alright, so but I'm happy because look at this now. Here already we have a new flowers. So later on I may have another season. This is next to this season. Wait for these flowers to grow into the fruit. And the current black beans that are not getting harvested yet, some sort of like a still green here. These green black beans will be harvested once it's got dried. and brownish color. Alright, so that's it for today, guys. Thanks so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to Simplicity Living for more videos later on. Bye for now.